Respiratory System Part 2.
The torso model you'll find on page 27 in your lab manual. We'll start with the right lung. They are not numbered. Number 429 is the superior lobe. Just know that 429 is the superior lobe, followed by 430, the middle lobe of the right lung. After 430, the middle lobe, we have 431, the inferior lobe of the right lung. The right lung has 3 lobes. From there, we move over to the left lung. This model is numbered. 432 is the superior lobe, and 433 is the inferior lobe of the left lung. There are 2 lobes of the left lung, making room for the apex of the heart. From there, we move over to 434, which is the diaphragm. The diaphragm.
Can you say that?
The diaphragm is numbered right here.
Okay.
On the left lung. 434, the diaphragm.
Okay.
From the diaphragm, we move to the visceral pleura. .436 is the visceral pleura on the left lung. 436. From there, we move back up to number 7, which is the hyoid bone. Number 7, tagged right here, the hyoid bone. Hyoid bone, number 7. Inside, number 16 is your hard palate. 16, hard palate. 511 is the soft palate. I don't know why the numbers jump like that. We go from 16, the hard palate, to 511, the soft palate. Next, we're going to go to the items not numbered. And a better way to understand it is that the nasopharynx is the space behind the nasal cavity. The nasopharynx. The oral vestibule is the space between your lips and your teeth. The oral vestibule between your lips and your teeth. The oropharynx is the space behind the oral cavity. The space behind the oral cavity. So this is your model, but I would send you over to page 808 in your book. But you can see it a lot clearer. The nasopharynx, the space behind the nasal cavity. The oropharynx, which is the space behind the oral cavity. And then, of course, the oral vestibule between your lips and your teeth. That's page 808 in your book. The respiratory system, page 27.